Part of the interface contains our top toolbar, which we can see, let me just highlight the mouse for you, is this top bar here. At the very left we have our option for a design, render, animation, manufacture, drawing. We really are not interested in anything other than design for the sort of work that we're doing. We then have an array of buttons which will change according to the up surfaces here. If we go to surface command, the buttons change, and so on for the others. Now again, we for most of this tutorial will be sticking on the solid row of buttons. We won't be covering the others at all. Other than the utilities button, which has things for printing and producing SRT file from, add-ins and inspection. The solid one contains a host of buttons which are split. We have a create section which has buttons where you can create ready-made shapes and components. A modify one that allows parts to be modified in various ways, which we'll cover as the tutorial goes on. An assembly button which covers assembling parts together, where we may want to assemble more than one component to see how they fit together and to see if they can move and there's clearances and so forth. There's a configure button, a construction button where we can add additional planes and axes, and a useful inspection button for us to enter various inspection modes of cross-section analysis and measurement and so on, and an insert one where we can insert other drawings or canvases and parts from manufacturers' catalogues. And the select one is the same as you would have in any program. It just sets the way you select things, whether you use it freeform or wireframe. No different to any other graphics package at all. They're all there in the same. As I say, we will be concentrating on the solid and the create as we go through, but that basically is the toolbar. It's your main top level. If you think of the tool and the buttons as a directory structure, then that toolbar is your top folder level for buttons underneath it.